Want to make $30,000 a month on YouTube without showing your face or filming videos? In this video, I'll show you exactly how YouTube automation works, the best AI tools to create videos, and how to build a cash cow channel from scratch. Stay till the end, because I'll also share 3 secret monetization strategies beyond YouTube AdSense that most people don't talk about. Hit the like button and let's get started. Section 1. What is YouTube automation? The business model explained. YouTube automation, also called cash cow channels, is a business model where you create videos without filming or using your voice. Instead, everything is outsourced or automated with AI tools. Here's how it works in 4 steps. 1. Choose a viral niche like finance, tech, motivation, or celebrity news. 2. Use AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, and video edits. 3. Upload consistently and grow your channel with SEO. 4. Monetize through AdSense, sponsorships, and digital products. The best part? You don't need a camera, editing skills, or even your own voice. Section 2. Best AI tools for YouTube automation in 2025. The secret behind scaling YouTube automation channels is AI tools. Here are the top AI tools to create high-quality videos. Fast script writing, ChatGPT and Jasper AI. Generate viral video scripts in minutes. AI voiceovers, 11 Labs and Murph AI. Convert text to realistic, human-like voices. AI video editing, Pictory and Runway ML. Turn scripts into fully edited videos using AI-generated clips. Pro tip: the key is automation. The more tasks AI handles, the faster you can scale. Section 3. Finding viral niches for cash cow channels. Not every niche makes money. Here are the best niches for high-earning cash cow channels in 2025. Finance and investing, stock market, crypto, and money hacks. Tech and AI trends, new gadgets, and tech innovations. Motivation and success, business advice, mindset, and self-improvement. Luxury and business news, net worth breakdowns, entrepreneur success stories. Case study: finance and business channels earn over $20 per 1,000 views, 5 times more than entertainment channels. Section 4. Monetization strategies beyond YouTube AdSense. Most beginners only rely on YouTube AdSense, but smart creators use multiple revenue streams to scale beyond $30,000 per month. Here's how top channels maximize earnings. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions per sale. Sponsorship deals. Brands pay you to feature their products. Selling digital products. Create courses, ebooks, or coaching programs. Merchant memberships. Offer exclusive content via Patreon or YouTube memberships. Pro tip: the real money is in affiliate marketing and digital products, not just AdSense. Section 5. Case study: a YouTube automation channel making $30,000 per month. Let's look at a real-life YouTube automation case study. Channel, AI and tech trends. Revenue, $30,000 plus per month. Uploads 3 to 4 videos per week. Monetization, AdSense. Sponsorships, affiliate marketing. Key takeaway: the faster you scale content production, the more money you can make. Now you know how YouTube automation works and how cash cow channels make $30,000 a month. Which niche are you going to start with? Comment below, like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next one.